Welcome to the crypto nest. Now I'm going to switch to the stocks. I didn't check the stocks today, so I'm a little bit scared and excited at the same time. And I'm not into stocks, and this is something maybe I need to work on myself because this was an amazing time and pretty much from the top of Tesla. I wanted to feel short in it, but I'm not into stock. It pissed me off. Sorry for the word when I cannot trade when I want. So this is what prevent me to trade stocks. But oh man, okay, let's go for it. Okay, let's go and check Coinbase. Let me go on the 1 hour so it looks more dramatic. Actually, Coinbase, holy cow. Okay, so let me go and check here. Did we reach perfectly or almost the 0.786? Okay, so I'm sorry. Uh, I was not right. I am sorry. For a moment, we are 176.93, and I was saying 176.16. But we need to also remember that the wave 1 to C ratio, we did busted the 1.36, so the next one is 1.618. So in a case we go a little bit lower, I'm expecting price to react to $170. Let's go and check the RSIs now. On the daily, should be oversold. Yes, it is. Uh, you know, if I had more money to invest, I would put them into Coinbase. Now, I didn't buy any Tesla, but I did got a little bit of Coinbase just because I need to fix my PTSD, because I did mention to this channel when it was making this B wave, and also when it was making this wave 2. At the time, to be fair, I thought this was a 1-2, so yeah, $46-50. Wow, that was a nice entry, and I just kept seeing going up. So now I want to be part of the game. I did yeah, I think I did got some under 40, under 76. Maybe I should have done a little bit more. Well, I mean, there is always a way to find some more money and invest into it, but at one certain point, I like to go on vacation as well. Okay, but I'm convinced that if I get some more now, I will have a very nice, amazing summer or end of summer. But anyway, so I believe this was the fourth wave, and now we're working on to this fifth wave. I believe as well that this was an A, a B, and a C, complete the wave 1, and now, yeah, A, B, C for the wave 2. We did reach the wave 2 level. Let me just remove, like, misplace a little bit here. Yeah, so that's amazing. Let me remove the 1.38, maybe cleaner chart. I'm going to maybe remove some things here so it's easier to read. The C, yeah, so we did reach the wave 2, 0.786, almost bend on, and now I'm expecting a reaction soon. I can also do that and make this in red. So now we don't want price to get into this zone, and if it does, we don't want it for an extended period of time to jeopardize that chart. Okay, so let's see here. Hot. Hot, yeah, now as you can see, I think yesterday I did a video on hot as well. There was this scenario, this was a 1-2. Let me take the brush, it's going to be easier to follow up. A 1-2, this was the 3, and I was looking for this fourth wave here, but now we went way below, so I cannot call that a fourth wave anymore. And so this is why now I'm calling an A, B, and a C for the wave 1 in red, and this is A, B, and a C. And yeah, so now let me check. Did we kind of pretty much react bend on to the 0.618 yesterday? Yeah, pretty much. Or today? No, that's why yesterday. Okay, so you know, cannot be more perfect than that for a moment. Let's go and check on the 12 hours the RSI just to have an idea. RSI oversold on the 12 hours. Daily, I mean, it's a copycat. I didn't even see it changing. You just do it again. Yeah. So I do believe now hot and mining is ready to anytime soon. Anytime you want, guy, man, go for it. Now, Monster. I don't know why I say Monster, you know, but okay. Micro strategy, actually, Micro B now. So RSI is 12 hours not oversold. Daily also not oversold, but still low, right? And once again, MA 200 acted as a support. Let me zoom in a little bit more. So we didn't quite reach the 1-to-1 ratio, wave A, wave C. I think now maybe I can remove the 0.786 also, so just leave that. I could add A equals C, there you go. So let's see if we get there, and but honestly I wouldn't mind if we don't get there, because this is so close from the 0.618 to under $7.71. That should be the border, the limit of this fourth wave. We don't want the fourth wave to go below, otherwise start to be unreliable. So I'm okay with that. Oh my god, I have a friend here that he invested in this little guy. I told him to sell first of all here and take some profits. I did tell him to sell a little bit here and take some profits. And then I told him, if we make a retest, then you know you can either go back or you just wait to see what's the reaction. Now the reaction was high, and I told him here, actually to be fair, to sell. When we did anyway, I had the Fibonacci extension, so I did tell him, you know, and I remember here, and there was another one here, and no, here I think it was a little bit higher, the Fibonacci extension, and I did tell him, you know, take partial systematically profits, and I'm pretty sure it didn't. And this is how you see all your gains just melting and going back into this freaking parallel channel. You see the yellow one, and now it's even going below. So the chances are now that this price will go back and reset around 17 to $15. Yeah, that sucks, but that's life. Keyword: taking profits, my friends, taking profits. NDA, honestly, I'm very pleased with this stock. Very resilient. It doesn't want to give it didn't give a new lower low for this fourth wave. It's resisting well. I'm very happy. Proud of you, man. NDA, keep it going. RSI is resetting as well. Let's not forget, this is a, you know, allegedly a fourth wave. So we RSI doesn't have to go. Actually, now from here it could go higher. I believe now we're going to go a little bit on the side, because the stock RSI here, it would be ideal that it resets, and after that, when the stock RSI is oversold, then we have a spike. So let's see if we have that. Anyway, it's not that I have any influence on the stock, so but that's what I was looking for. Also, Nvidia, nothing to report. We did a new lower low. Don't know what happened with all my fibs, but I think I didn't even have any. Did I have any? Oh yeah, there. So we're very far from my purchasing price. So do I expect price to go much lower now? No, I don't. We did drop a lot. So let me see here. Actually, you know what? This is when it's handy to have a VRVP. Let's see now. So we have a little bit of resist of volume here, and yeah, so I would say maybe it can go a little bit slight. No, I think it's done now. It's done for a moment, and keyword for the moment. And I would just draw a fib retracement here, and something like for the fourth wave. Maybe something like that. I would expect a reaction maybe starting at 118, more likely under 23. And you can see that the MA 200 and the 50 are converging. So I don't believe it's going to break out higher than under 27.70. And so now I'm going to make a bold statement that the price is going to go and do something, maybe something like that, and then cup and continue to go lower. Let's see how it goes. Unless, you know, President Trump stops talking about tariffs, then it's going to give a chance to the American economy to recover a little bit. And let's remember, let's remember one thing: it's easy to destroy or wreck an economy. It's much harder to reestablish it. So it's going to take time and a lot of patience. Mara. Yeah, Mara now, we almost reached the 1-to-1 ratio. My goodness, I know someone who's, she must be freaking out now. I think I'm going to call him or message him after to see how is mental going on. So I'm just doing this trend line, first sign that something is happening. A possible reversal should be breaking this downtrend. Tesla, honestly, I cannot say I'm not happy, and I did tell you I see this as a wave A. Now I do see because this fourth wave now is invalidated, and then I'm just sticking with this A, B, C for the wave 1. I'm going still to leave it 0.618. Yeah, that's this is where's my red count, man? Let me go a little bit more. Okay, 1, 2. This was supposed to be the 3, but I think the 3 now yesterday got invalidated. Okay, so that's the fourth wave count. Actually, this could still be an ABC, is it? Ah, man. I think I've been a little bit too quick. This can still be a fourth wave that it did in one shot. And in a case that it doesn't do that, I just need to be careful here. I can call that just an A, a B, a huge ABC. And wave 2 here. So now we did reach the 0.5. And just to make it clear, all this could be just a 1. This is the 2. And then we're going to do 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put that in green. Actually, yellow makes more sense, because it's not that positive. And here, orange. All right. So still valid for this fourth wave. I do believe now, honestly, that though we are meant for a recovery. And I wouldn't be surprised now if there is a recovery in Tesla. I just want to put a resistance level now. I'm going to use the B wave, I think. need to adjust these settings. I'm going to put it in red. Okay, so $330 should be the minimum. I feel like getting some Tesla now. And I think that's pretty much all. Anyway, it's yeah, 15 minutes. So yeah, very interesting. I don't know, first trimester or quarter. I don't know. We'll see. Very interesting March, end of April and March. This was a very nice shorting period of time. Who would have thought that, you know, I mean, all the people voted for Trump, you know, financially ones, they would expect price to skyrocket, and yeah, we just got the opposite. It would have been a perfect time for shorting. You know, that's how funny sometimes life it is. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We have a Discord channel where I update some chart during the day sometimes. I do share with you my purchase. Once again, those are not financial advice. Those is just sharing what I'm doing. And have an amazing Tuesday. Bye.